Hey guys, welcome back to Sherwayne Music Production channel, the channel to be a part of. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so you would be the very first to be notified each time I upload a brand new video, tutorial, rhythm, whichever scene. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also guys, remember to like the video as your contribution to the channel scene. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Guys, if you're feeling generous today and you want to donate to the channel, the PayPal link is in the description. Feel free to go ahead and donate to the channel. Seen? Appreciate that. So guys, in today's video, we're going to go over the Sentama song by Pt.2. We did part 1 when we look at how the rhythm was created. Seen? And as you can look and see here, the rhythm, same name that was in the rhythm. So if you never watch a video, then go back and watch a previous video. I'm gonna put the link in the description as well as part 1, so you can go and check it out how I create the rhythm. See, I just bounce out the wave of the rhythm and just bring it in a Pro Tools in the Sherwayne Music Production template. So guys, if you don't get the template as yet, make sure you get the template. The rhythm template is available. The vocal template is available. This same template that I'm using right now, it's available both in Pro Tools and also FL Studio. So whichever one you use, the contact is in the description. So make sure you reach out and get the template. So I'm gonna bring the rhythm in the template, set up the tempo, the BPM, with tempo same way, seeing, and just start to record the artist on the rhythm. So I'm gonna play the song so you guys can hear it. See?
Sherwayne Music.
This a one go, hit the target. Spiritual psycho, retarded. Signs and wonder, where the Lord did. Where the Lord did. Them don't know what thing war a 19 at the formula. Tongue span rapid and a single laugh. For the spiritual sword, hit me a jaw. Them don't know what thing war. Them just a sing war. Tongue span rapid and a single laugh. For the spiritual sword, hit me a jaw. The one with the real powers. Stay up on your knee for hours. Pass and pray to the Lord, and you see how your thing take off. Same place from me St. Thomas, and no good to up a St. Thomas. Far free you never spend no cash. You coulda come from Irish spend the cash. Them don't know what thing war a 19 at the formula. Tongue span rapid and a single.
So basically guys, that's the song. El Paso 876 Sentama. See them on all digital platform right now. YouTube, Spotify, the whole works. Go and check out him thing and support him thing. See? So again guys, record this song. We use the same mic that I always tell you guys about, the Sterling microphone. I'm sure you it on my channel. You can go and check out the mic. We use the M audio interface in the studio to record this song, not the Focusrite that I use at home. The M audio I use, I think it's a 1992 version. So you guys can go and get that one if you have it. So that's what we use to record the vocal. See? If you notice with the song, it's record punching. So some parts are said, then some parts are then said. Like for instance, right here, this a one punch, one take. Then we do a next take up here. So then one take down here. So these are the lead vocal. These two up here and down here are the lead vocal. So recorded them by punching in the artist. When you punch in a song, them you have more dynamics, more flavor, more delivery in your style and in your vocal and all them things there. So that's what we do. So after we get in vocals in the template, in this same template, there's not much really I do to the vocal. But more so do a little bit of balancing as it relates to levels wise. These are the knob we play with, and I think I had some more sheen to him vocal with the VMR, because we have the new VMR. These are the new VMR which have the mic in it, the mic preamp. So I use the mic um amp in the mic modulation in on this particular template. So if you need this particular template, yes, so just reach out to the WhatsApp number or join the WhatsApp group and just let me know that you need to you want to purchase the El Paso 876 template. We can send this particular one to you. You see me? But that's the only thing I added to it, and I also added some more volume to the high frequency um from like 0.5 dB, you know what I mean, and we boost the fresh air to about 10%. Usually they are like 4 or 5. See, and basically it that me not trouble nothing else in the template, you know what I mean, nothing in the template. Um, and as you know, with the template, you just change the parameters them, such as the not the delay. The delay don't set up. I got change automatically once you put in the right tempo in the rhythm. Seeing me I try remember what I add. Oh yeah, the God particle. It's a new plugin when I have me introduced to the template. You know, we make the vocal, not the vocal, the song itself sound more fatter, more, more puff. You know what I mean, more robust. You know what I mean, more warm. So we have the God particle on the master bus in the channel. So that's basically it, guys. You know what I mean. So pull up the template and just record the vocals in it. You know what I mean. Don't just the lead. These are like the ad libs in the background when you know what I mean, jaw, moan, like I say, yo, say this that way there, and him just do a little slur this and we just put it in the effects track. And as you can see, me just copy and paste some of them. Like for this, me just copy and paste it up here, so it have the delay, the massacre delay effect upon it. So basically that's what I did for this song. I would just bounce it out and I hit that, you know what I mean, because the template already set up with all of my plugins them, all of the parameters them set in place. When you purchase the template, you can also just manipulate it, you know what I mean. Make sure say you do your own EQ and them thing there. You see me? Them settings are what upon it. Listen, man, the perfect settings them for male vocals, you know what I mean. For female vocals, you can just change it up. You know what I mean, make it more thinner and them thing there. You see it? So that's just basically it. Again, I think my back off some of the DS2 as well to make more S's pop out. You know what I mean? So vocal can sound more stingier, more clearer and them thing there. So that's basically what I did. Just recorded him in the template and then just bounce it out and then distribute the song on all digital platform. The digital platform that we used was 1 RPM, you know what I mean, and created the artwork as well and just distributed it. The artwork must be 3000 by 3000, so make sure you remember that, guys. You know what I mean? Create an audio visual for it and just put it on YouTube and pick up from there. So guys, hard for make a song from scratch. You know what I mean? Once you have, that's why I always encourage you guys, get the template. You know what I mean? For build the rhythm them, make time easier, make the rhythm build quicker, sound perfect. And likewise, get the recording template. The recording night, the song sound like you done mix and master already. Those who have purchased the template already, you can leave a comment down in the comment section and make people know. Say, yo, you work. Or you can even ask within the WhatsApp group as well. Join the WhatsApp group and ask about the template. Whole heap of testimony did it. Somebody tell me the other day, say, boy, I revive them passion for mix again and do music again because the template saved them. You know what I mean? Me hear a youth send me something night before last. You know what I mean? I remember him name. I think he name Hello, something like that. You mean at the group see him. He send me something when recording at this particular template, and me I tell her great improvement. So get the template, guys. Do your recording and just do the minor tweaks in the template for yourself, like put in the way you call it, the auto tune key and them thing. That's all you guys need to do. You know what I mean? And you get your music done in no time. You know what I mean? So if you have any questions, you know what I mean, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I always read the comments them. And if you want to get personal, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is there, the WhatsApp group is there, the email is there. You can email me. So if you want your song mix and master, you can email me, you can reach out to me and let me know. I'll get that done. If you want cover art, we can get that done for you. If you want audio visual, we can get that done for you as well. If you want rhythm, we have rhythm as well. So I say, If you need any tips and tricks, you know what I mean, just ask and we'll get a video up and running for you. The video that everybody asks about is the arranging, how to arrange with him. I'm gonna do a video on that shortly. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. Again, if you learn something from the whole video, you know what I mean, make sure say you subscribe, make sure you like, you know what I mean, and if you feel like you want to donate, the PayPal is there, so you can donate to the channel. Would really appreciate that scene. And if you want to go in depth on anything at all, just let me know. You know what I mean? And we have classes as well. So if you need classes on mixing and mastering, feel free to book your class today. You know what I mean? One-on-one with Sherwayne. You know what I mean? That's your name. One-on-one mixing and mastering with Sherwayne. So reach out and book your session. See? That'll go well as well. A lot of people from all over the world will reach out and them will get them help, them music will sound more improve, way better. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and we have new videos that will come out. 2 videos per week they are gonna drop. So make sure you stay tuned, and we're gonna go live as well. Hopefully, you know what I mean, sometime randomly, but we're gonna try and make one live at least one time for the week so we can chop it up scene. Continue to be great, continue to trust God, you know what I mean, and put God in everything you do. Make sure you pray, make sure you stay in His word, you know what I mean? Because this is how I get good success from. Blessings, big up on yourself, love you.